Ethan had always been drawn to abandoned places, but the old asylum on Blackridge Hill was different. It had been shut down decades ago after rumors of unethical experiments and strange disappearances. Locals whispered that the patients never really left. Ignoring the warnings, Ethan crept inside one foggy night, flashlight in hand. The air smelled of mildew and something rotten. The walls were covered in peeling paint, and the faint sound of dripping water echoed through the empty corridors. As he ventured deeper, a shiver ran down his spine. Faint whispers floated through the air. Not the wind, not rats. Words, indistinct, murmuring voices coming from the darkness. Ethan turned a corner and froze. A rusted wheelchair stood in the middle of the hallway facing him. It hadn't been there before. He stepped closer and suddenly the chair lurched forward, as if pushed by invisible hands. A cold breath brushed his ear. "You shouldn't be here." The whispers grew louder, swirling around him, forming words that clawed at his mind. Shadows moved unnaturally along the walls, stretching toward him. Ethan bolted for the exit, his breath ragged. But as he reached the front door, he saw his reflection in the glass. His face was missing. A hand gripped his shoulder. The asylum would always need new patients, and Ethan had just been admitted.
Are you tired of paying for AI image generators? Frustrated with free tools that have limits? Well, what if I told you there's an AI that creates stunning images and even animates them for free? No watermarks, no subscriptions, just pure AI magic. Introducing Meta AI, the ultimate free AI-powered image and animation generator that beats even the paid ones. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also show you a step-by-step guide on how you can create your own animated AI masterpiece in minutes. Meta AI is a groundbreaking text-to-image generator that turns your words into stunning artwork. But it doesn't stop there. Unlike other AI tools, Meta AI can actually animate the images, creating fluid, lifelike motion. And guess what? It's 100% free. No hidden costs, no paywalls. All you need is a Facebook or Instagram login, and you're good to go. Most AI image generators, like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Runway, require subscriptions or credits to access high-quality images. But Meta AI, completely free. Other tools charge you for animations, but Meta AI lets you animate your images instantly at no cost. Now, let me show you exactly how you can create your own AI-generated images and animate them in just a few clicks. Step 1. Go to Meta AI's image generator tool via Facebook or Instagram. Step 2. Type your prompt. For example, a haunted asylum with flickering lights in 2D cartoon style, minimal colors. Step 3. Click Generate and watch as Meta AI creates a stunning image in seconds. Step 4. Want to animate it? Just click Animate, and Meta AI will bring your image to life with smooth motion effects. Look at that! It took less than a minute, and the results are mind-blowing. Now, how can you use Meta AI? Here are some cool ways people are using it. Content creators generate custom artwork and animations for YouTube videos. Storytellers and writers turn ideas into AI-illustrated stories. Social media creators create viral AI art for Instagram and TikTok. Game designers and artists concept art in seconds. Cut to animated AI images moving fluidly. And remember, all of this is possible without spending a single penny. So, what are you waiting for? Try Meta AI today and start creating your own AI-generated animations for free. Comment below what crazy AI image you'd like to generate next, and I might feature it in my next video. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to TechFix AI, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update.